Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable subtitles on Google Drive Video Player. To begin, open Google Drive in your web browser and go to your Drive homepage. This is where you'll be able to locate the video file you want to work with. If your drive contains a lot of files, it may help to use the search bar or browse to the correct folder first so you can find the video more quickly. Once you've found the video file, move your cursor over it and click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Actions menu. This menu gives you access to additional options for managing the file. It's an important step because the subtitle or caption settings are typically accessed from the video's available actions rather than directly from the main file list. From there, keep in mind that subtitles may need to be embedded, relinked, or managed through an external online service, depending on how your video and caption files were originally prepared. In other words, if subtitles are not already connected to the video, you may need to follow the on-screen process available in your setup to make sure the caption file is associated correctly. This can vary slightly depending on the file type, the sharing setup, or whether captions were created separately from the video itself. The key thing to remember here is that Google Drive Video Playback may rely on an attached caption track, so this part ensures the subtitles are available for the player to use. After that, look for the option labeled Add New Caption Tracks and click it. This is the area where you can upload your subtitle file. If you already have a compatible captions file prepared, this is where you connect it to the video. Make sure the file you upload matches the correct video and language, since that helps viewers see accurate subtitles during playback. Once the caption track is added, Google Drive should be able to use it with the video player, allowing subtitles to appear when supported. If you don't see them right away, give the page a moment to update and then reopen the video if needed. That's all it takes to get started with enabling subtitles on a Google Drive video player. Following these steps carefully will help ensure your video is more accessible and easier for viewers to follow.